have already learned how to add numbers using our fingers as objects. So let's try out this addition. 7 plus 3. So we will once again use our fingers as objects. So first we take 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 3 more fingers. That is, we add 3 fingers to 7 fingers. So 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are open? 10. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 fingers were open. So the answer to this addition is 10. 10 is the sum. So when we add 7 and 3, we get 10. Now let's try and add 7 and 5 using our fingers. So first we need to open 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 5 more fingers. 1, 2, 3. And what about finger number 4? Well, we have run out of fingers. So we have not reached 5 yet, but there are no more fingers to open. So we just have 10 fingers. So how do we do such additions? How do we do additions with answer more than 10 using just 10 fingers? See, we have just 10 fingers. But luckily, each finger on each hand has these finger marks, as you can see. So these finger marks, so you can see these finger marks. So there are 20 such finger marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 such finger marks like this. So we can use these finger marks for performing additions. Let us see how. So let us try and add 7 and 5 using these finger marks. How? First, I need to find 7 finger marks. So let us start counting from here. So always remember, you start counting from the bottom of the little finger. So we'll count 7 finger marks starting from here. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 finger marks and we need 5 more finger marks. So I will count 5 more finger marks from where? From here. Okay, not from the beginning. After 7 finger marks, I will count 5 more finger marks starting from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is where I have reached the top of this finger. Now I need to find how many finger marks in total I have counted. So again, starting from here, from 1, I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I need to count till here because this is where 5 ended. So I have counted 12 finger marks till here. So 7 finger marks and 5 finger marks together give me 12 finger marks. So the sum of 7 and 5 is 12. Or I can say 7 plus 5 equals 12. So this is how we can perform bigger additions using our finger marks. Let's try out one more. 9 plus 6. So can you try out this one on your own? So first let us count 9 finger marks. Starting from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 finger marks till here. And I need 6 more finger marks. So after 9, I want to count 6 more finger marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have reached 6 till here. Now, starting from here, I need to count all the finger marks till this mark. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I need to count finger marks till here. This is mark number 15. So the answer is 15. So 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Let's try out this one. 10 plus 5. So once again, I will first count 10 finger marks. How do I do that? Starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I need 5 more finger marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more finger marks. Now how many finger marks have I covered in total? Or how many finger marks have I counted in total? So I need to start counting from here once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is finger mark number 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So the answer of 10 plus 5 is 15. So can you try out this one on your own? What is 12 plus 5? Once again, we use the finger marks for this. So you know, obviously, we cannot perform this addition using our fingers because the first term or the first quantity to be added is 12 and we just have 10 fingers. So we use the finger marks. So first, let us count 12 finger marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 finger marks and I need 5 more finger marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So till here we have reached the finger mark till this point. Now starting from the beginning, I need to count the number of this finger mark. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is where I had to count. This is finger mark number 17. So 12 plus 5 equals 17. So this is how you can add bigger numbers not using your fingers but using your finger marks. So there are 20 finger marks. First, count the finger marks for the first number. Then count the finger marks for the second number. And then count the total finger marks. So this is how your finger marks help you in addition. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.